Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today was amazing volatility and most of my traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you would like to see the live analysis instead of reviews, so most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community and more information is available at the video description. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, so feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD and pound dollar and the dollar CAD. Okay, so if you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart from yesterday, we had this beautiful breakout, bank amazing profit guys. And even London morning we had a beautiful short trade guys. And this afternoon, as you can see here, price nicely respected 100 EMA. But if you look at here, price previously respected this level. You can see here, respected here and also respected here. So we were looking, if you look at here, you can see here this level, price respected here. So we were expecting possibility if the price gonna break this level, then short here. And we were expecting probably price might gonna hit this level, but price reverse. But I also mentioned in intraday, if we see the price break the recent high and retest, then we keep taking a pullback. So we have this counter long trade as well, and some of the traders are still holding it. Let's see guys, let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday, refine entries and exit. But if you look at here, we have pattern is developing it. You can see here sort of like a downside channel pattern. We'll see, and let me share with you the today's analysis. And if you look at the this London morning session, this is the analysis I did once the price basically reverse and develop another pattern. And that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break this level, then we're gonna keep taking a short trade here and then keep taking a pullback. So as you can see here, exactly price broken and retest, give us the confirmation, and short trade here and short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level just before the New York opening bell, explain my trader it's time to enjoy some profits. So after banking this profit, I also updated that analysis, and we were expecting price might gonna develop another pullback, continue, or if reverse, the only way, that's what I explained my trader, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break, aggressive is basically breakout trade, but safest way after the breakout pullback. As you can see here, price did not develop any pullback. You can see here impulsive move, but after impulsive we are expecting a pullback at this level. So you can see here we also, some of the traders also taken this aggressive breakout, but after that safest way pullback. Price nicely developed after the breakout pullback, momentum was bullish. So beautiful, as soon as the price hit to this previous low level, which is price nicely hit the profit target, and that's what explained my trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see guys how we analyze the market. The most important thing is not just about the analysis, because after this analysis we broadcast the market updates based on the analysis through live audio commentary. So just to make sure trader don't miss any opportunity, and that's the beauty of the system. All right, let's move into the cable pound dollar. We had amazing trade guys, beautiful. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have sort of like a pattern. We were expecting possibility of reversal, and our target was this level, which price nicely hit. Even right now looks like the price broken and expecting a pullback. We'll see tomorrow guys, but we had a nice long trade here. We also had a short trade yesterday. I've showed you this, we were looking at short trade in intraday. We had Asian session, beautiful short trade here, and London morning session. Once the price reverse and failed to respect this level, so we have taken in intraday and this long trade here, and today we just keep taking a long trade here. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry, keeping mind on the 4-hour charts, and that was a beautiful trade. All right, so if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. Okay, this is the analysis I mentioned you yesterday, that we were looking at a breakout of this pattern, but the safest way breakout and retest, which you can see here, price broken and retest at the Asian session, and we have another pullback. We announced all these pullback at the Asian session. Most of my traders bank amazing profit just before the London Open. I explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for the London Open. As you can see here, price reverse, and that's what I explained to my trader through live analysis. Look here guys, the price, if the price already broken, so we need another pullback. That is going to give us the confirmation, because this breakout was performed here, price came back here, and then we will have another beautiful pullback. Momentum was bullish, so beautiful trade this morning. Most of my traders bank amazing profit. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, we bank some profit. And afterward guys, as always, after the banking some profit, we are expecting another pullback, which is I also broadcast that information. As you can see here, we have another beautiful pullback, make few pippies. Then I explained to my trader, let's wait for the New York session. We already have big move. Let's see how the New York session. At the New York session, you can see here price developed sideways market, and that's pretty straightforward. You can see here price nicely respected. As explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then short trade here, otherwise long. You can see here price broken, and if you look at this candle, we have a spinning top candle that give us the early sign, and we were expecting a pullback at this level. Price broken and develop another pullback, and beautiful. But in intraday, that was the beautiful breakout. After the breakout pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, I explained my trader guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see guys how we analyze in 4 hours, define the market sentiment and buys, and how we refine entries and exit and banking pips every single day. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trades. Most of the traders still holding short guys. And if you look at the 4 hour, yesterday we had this beautiful counter long trade here, bank amazing profit. As you can see here, as explained to my trader, if the price gonna break above, candle close above this level previous side, then expecting a long, otherwise possibility of short trade here. So we also had a long trade, and afterwards we had a beautiful this breakout, and explain my trader keep taking a short trade here. So you can see here based on the 4 hour how we analyze, and then how we refine the entries and exit in intraday. Let me share with you guys. That was a beautiful trade guys. All the major V has given us beautiful pips. All right, so as you can see here, yesterday we had this long trade here, and this morning, as you can see here, just before London Open, expecting a pullback around this level. So you can see here we have another beautiful pullback, as mentioned on the analysis. That was the beautiful pullback. As soon as, because if you look at the previously price, so as soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, consider tightening your stop loss and look for another breakout. And if the price gonna break this one, then keep taking a long trade here. But if the price respect, we came out at the break even and look for this breakout and short trade here. And that's what I updated analysis. That's why we do it exactly every single day. Watch the analysis and keep update to our trader. Okay, so then I did this analysis at the New York session. Just before opening bell, I said to guys, tighten your stop loss based on this analysis. And I look at here, then look at here, we have price respected here, did not close above this level. We have this wedge in 4 hour, expecting a breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As always, after the breakout, we announced this one guys. If they have missed this one, they can join this one, they can join this one. So beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to basically the price hit to the previous low. That's what I explained my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades. Some of the traders are still holding short on dollar CAD, but we manage beautiful pips, and that's what exactly every single day I analyze market in 4 hour. I refine entries and exit, and make sure provide up-to-date information to my trader, make sure they bank profit, I make money, they make money. All right guys, so as always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Watching these reviews, I understand it, but interesting part of it, watch those things in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the most interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform we have designed for training, education, live with the live market, also trading. You can trade, you can train, everything is available on the platform. So once you learn and develop your trading skill and develop a consistency, then I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. I have a very limited space. My availability calendar link is available in the video description. myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.